How to cancel a Crunchyroll membership. Now, if you are into the 7-day free trial of being a membership in Crunchyroll and before 7 days has passed, you would like to cancel the membership, this is the correct video for you. Just head directly to the crunchyroll.com's official site and you'll have to make sure that you are logged into the account in which the account that you are a member with from Crunchyroll. Now, for you to be able to get to your account settings, just tap on this option right here, and there will be a drop down, and then just head directly to settings. Then here, as you can see under general, you should be able to find membership info or membership information, and this is where your membership will be visible. So say for example, you're on the 7-day free trial, or before the 7-day free trial, your status will show up here. And there is also an option that says cancel or removed membership. So you just simply choose on that and it will be automatically removed, and as well as your payment information will be removed as well. So that's it. That's how easy and straightforward you can go ahead and cancel a membership in Crunchyroll.